Hey, what's up? I'm going to show you how to get started with the Metamask wallet. Metamask is one of the most recognizable wallets in the world, and it supports ERC20 tokens, NFTs, and multiple blockchains. First thing you want to do is head over to download. You can download it for Chrome, iOS, and also Android. We're going to be focusing on the Chrome here, which is very similar to the mobile applications. I've already installed it on my browser. This browser is the Brave browser, and it also works for the Chrome browser as well. Once you open it up, a couple of things you could do here. You can buy some Ethereum. You can buy through Coinbase Pay, Transact, MoonPay, Wire, and you can also deposit Ethereum. So let's say someone wanted to send you Ethereum. You can go here and view the account, copy this address and give them that address, and they can send Ethereum directly to your wallet. An easier way to get there is just by going up here on the top of the account, clicking here either on your mobile or on the desktop, and it'll copy that address. It's the same address you'll find in this section right here. Once you've minted an NFT, you head over to OpenSea.io. You can do that on your mobile. You can also do that on the desktop. Once you sign in with your wallet, the wallet we're referring to here is the MetaMask wallet that you have. You'll be able to see the NFTs that you have collected via OpenSea. The other thing that's cool about this as well is that you can rinse and repeat the process for additional NFTs that you desire. Hope this information serves you well. Make sure you head over to therundown.discord.com. You can also check out Crypto Talk Conversation on Clubhouse. Make sure you check those out to continue to inform yourself about NFTs and cryptocurrency.